What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the dynamic island on older iPhones. On the iPhone 14 Pro this year, Apple turned that cutout at the top of your device into a feature. With a combination of software and hardware, the notch now had a purpose and allowed you to play music, set a timer, and more right from the notch. Somehow they turned this annoyance into a feature, and it was brilliant. DynamicPeninsula from developer Elias Limnios is a jailbreak tweak that brings Apple's dynamic island that was exclusive to the iPhone 14 Pro to older devices like the iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, and even 14. Well, once there's a jailbreak for it anyway. So, are you wondering how to install it? Well, here's how to do it. First off, make sure you can jailbreak your device. I have several jailbreak tutorials showing how to jailbreak previous versions of iOS, and the latest jailbreak is linked down below in the description. As of right now, the latest iOS version to be jailbroken is iOS 15.1.1, so any newer iOS versions as of the recording of this video aren't going to be compatible. However, this will change in the future as new jailbreaks get released. So, once you're jailbroken, here's what you do. Go into Cilio or whatever package manager you're using and add the repo on the screen and in the description. Right now, this tweak is only available on Elias's repo, however, it should likely be on Big Boss in the future. Once installed, it'll ask you to purchase a license. Once you pay the $3.99 entry fee, that's it, you're ready to go. This tweak doesn't have all of the Dynamic Island's features, but it can show calls, timers, music, do not disturb, screen recording, Bluetooth devices, volume switches, and it'll even play a cool animation when you plug in your phone to charge it. Comparing it to Apple's own implementation on the 14 Pro, this tweak isn't perfect. And unfortunately, if you're using an iPhone 10 and iPhone 11, those phones have thicker bezels, so it unfortunately becomes clear that it isn't perfect and it isn't one-to-one. But all that to say, it's a pretty cool replication of the feature, and I haven't seen someone do it better yet. But for $3.99, for less than the price of a small popcorn at the movies, this will definitely keep you entertained. Normally, I don't even cover a paid tweak unless it's worth it, and while this tweak might have some bugs and might not be a complete one-to-one copy of the original, it's pretty close, and that makes this tweak well worth the cost of admission. Anyway guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up today's video. If you did enjoy, let me know by hitting that like button. Also, go ahead and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell, so that way you never miss out on a brand new upload. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. Happy New Year. See you in 2023. Have a good one guys. Peace.